This is Quarshverse, and today we're just going to create Grey Heffley from Diary of the Wimpy Kid. Also, this model is for free or free to download in the description below, or you could buy this model at a station also in the description below if you want to. It may support me financially. I hope you subscribe and I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like if you truly like it, or well, please just subscribe. I thank you, and please hold on, keep watching until the end so you may see all the process or all the steps I took in creating this beautiful character that you see on this screen. Thank you.